Hey guys! Today I feel so much better after the vaccine. Yesterday I slept almost 20 hours since 9ish from the previous day until 3 p.m. And right now I feel a little better. Still get lightheaded, but it's getting there. Also, just received some bags from Lola, Miss Lola, and oh, look at my skin after the sun with no sunscreens. And right now I'm about to unbox for you guys to see what did I order. Ta-da! So this is huge box from Miss Lola. I just never see this brand before, and I saw there's some girl tag them in and check them out. So it seemed cute, so that's why I got some good stuff in here. Well, I can't remember what I get, but usually I always get something related to skincare and beauty, but haven't got any clothes for a while. Woohoo! Wow, definitely cute. Miss Lola, dear Lola baby, your purchase make my day, and I hope these pieces brighten yours. Thank you for being my daily motivations. I wouldn't be able to do what I love without you all. You're truly Lola. Nice. Okay, what I have in here, I don't know. Oh, maybe some shoes. Oh, the pack is so cute with also these. Oh, look at this. Oh my gosh, I saw this and it seemed cute with this little thing right here. That's why I have them. And I forgot how much does it cost, but you know, as you know, I love black colors, so that's why I got everything related to black. So I got that for shoes. Oh my gosh, I'm a shoe lover. I have a lot of shoes and I keep buying it. No good. So that's the first one. And ooh, look at this cutie. Oh my gosh. So me. It seemed okay from my opinions, but well, it's actually cute. I have to try it on to see if it's matched my size or not. Usually it's like different brands have different size, and sometimes it's smaller, sometimes it's bigger. Ta-da, Miss Lola. To be honest, my style of fashion is a little bit funny. Sometimes I wear something really sporty or something sexy. I don't like something girly. I don't know, for some reason. And it's just me. There's just no between, to be honest. Where is it? Ooh, wow, I actually love the material. The material looks so good. This is what I want to spend money for. Usually, I try different brands that I saw my friends bought it from Shein, Fashion Nova, or Pretty Little Thing. I ordered a couple of them in there, but for some reason, it's just the quality wasn't that great, so I just stopped purchasing from them. And even look the zipper, just so nice. Oh, for sure. I'm gonna try it on later to show you guys. But yeah, I love the material so far. It's not cheap, you know. And I think one pair of one products for this is maybe almost 60 or 80. So yeah, the quality gotta match with the expectations. Next one, I have this shirt. I think white color. Oh, it's the whole sets of them. So it's just really simple skirt, and then the top. Seems super simple, but I like it. I don't know how much does it cost. I forgot already. But yeah, next one. I think this is the dress that I bought it from them. Let's see the material. Not too bad. Cute. I'm gonna stand up. I like it. Usually I'm really just, like I mentioned, I'm really picky with the material because I don't want to wear something and it looks so cheap, you know. Also, they sent us the return and exchange. So basically, if you don't like anything, I think you can return it. I never returned with Lola before, so we'll see. And this is also the first time I purchased products from them. So yeah. Ooh, the sateen material is also nice in here. The design is a little bit similar to Zara, but seem like it's acceptable. Well, as long as it doesn't doesn't show that sketchy. Next one, another dress. It's really lime color. I think the style right now. Oh, this is really long. Well, this will be matched for party and time to try it on.